Our names are Marco and Michi. We have been in the tattoo business for over 15 years, by working in sales as well as directly in the studio together with the tattoo artists. We have recognized an essential and ubiquitous problem: photography. Which artist doesn't know it? You invest hours in the preparation and implementation of your tattoo, and at the end you try to make a good picture or video of it with the last of your energy. But usually it's not a success. Of the 25 files on your phone, you may get one you can use after 30 minutes of image editing. That sucks, right? So we were wondering how we can solve this. Many of you will be working with polarizers. Some have probably already thought about the optimal exposure and know how to place their work lights in such a way that the chance of getting a good picture is a little higher. The problem is, this equipment was not manufactured exactly for a purpose, and so perhaps it's not surprising that it does not achieve this purpose. A tattoo brings together many factors that makes a good photo or video. The highlights must be hidden, the redness must be minimized, and the color intensity or the contrast must be maximized at the same time. However, the skin that surrounds the tattoo should still have a natural effect. So we set to work and looked for solutions together with renowned experts in photography technology. Theoretically, the solutions were found quickly. The right combination of illumination and polarization should actually provide a usable result. Based on this, the first prototypes emerged, which frankly were no more than a more compact version of the well-known solution. And they were still anything but perfect. The artists who tested these devices found them not bad, but that was not the reaction we wanted to achieve. Prototype after prototype, we understood better what parameters we needed to master, how the LEDs of the lamp have to be constructed, what angles we have to illuminate, what degree of polarization, what bandwidth of light spectra. Until we found the solution, the version everyone loved, Sniper, was born. So we went into production with it. For us, it was a matter of course that a product that contains so much love must also be built accordingly. All supporting components as well as the lights were made of high-quality CNC milled aluminium. An OLED display with a control wheel allows you to operate it easily and conveniently. We have developed a softcase box that protects Sniper perfectly when traveling and saves as much space as possible. In short, we believe we have got the best possible out of this idea and implemented it. Sniper will save you a lot of time because you will be able to shoot a perfect picture or a perfect video in 2 minutes, holding your tattoo as it looks in reality and sharing it with the world. Another advantage is that your image will appear more uniform due to the always identical settings of the photography. This makes a more professional impression on social media or a website. Your work deserves a perfect picture, right? Sniper, because your tattoo deserves a photo in which it looks just as good as live. Order now.